So when is the Find the Difference CD coming out? Because I got the promo, I'm waiting for the next one, come on.
Pepsi sucks. Drink the real stuff. Coca-Cola. The, like, official drink of Rooster or something.
Can't play this thing without a control pad.
It's good. It's strong. But it's good. And it's really good at holding up webcams, too. Yes. I can't do it. I can't take this anymore.
You gotta drink your Coke, you gotta do it right. Watch. Open the Coke. So, close Coke. So that print is down. See? See? Now, drink Coke. It's carbonated. Then Bob. Oh, yeah.
I think I can do that.
See how good you can do.
How many do you think I can do in a row?
2.
Okay, hold on.
3 maybe.
Let me finish the Coke. I don't know, man. I'm going for 5. Oh, my eyes. Okay, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Once I get started, there's no stopping me. Oh, damn my shirt. Okay, here we go.
Coke!
Hold on. You're gonna miss my ultimate burping extravaganza.
Yeah, well,
Alright, here we go. Oh, I only did 3. It kinda hurt. Hold on. Wait. Oh, this is hard. Oh. I can't do more than 2. Damn. Damn you, Pepsi.
Watch. That's 1. See, you gotta inhale through your nose as you swallow with this, which gives you lots of bubbles.
I think I did 4.
That's how you win a contest. Nice head. Oh, baby.
One of the unfortunate side effects of drinking Coke and burping is long ass saliva that like never stops ever. Oh, gross.
Hey, are you buck too?
Man.
Are these, all these things just like
trend? What's new? What's a label scout to do? Office Life Marty, 1132. The label press calls and yells.
Sign more emo.
How about Screamo?
To sell sign Nemo. We're down 2%, and DMG knows my daughter likes Nash. Wants to get me one of those.
Text APNet, the scout and more. Your